Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Engineering Mathematics 2 in one day. First, identify the most crucial topics like differential equations and vector calculus. Don't try to cover everything. Instead, focus on understanding the core principles. Practice a few key problems to solidify your grasp of the methods. This targeted approach is essential for efficient learning. Dive into differential equations by reviewing fundamental theorems and solution methods. For vector calculus, concentrate on understanding operations like gradients, divergence, and curl through practical examples. Don't hesitate to use quick online tutorials or summaries to refresh any fuzzy concepts. This focused practice builds confidence quickly. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, for all your study materials, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading textbooks or notes anywhere, anytime. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Structure your day by allocating specific time blocks for each major topic, perhaps 1.5 hours per section. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 30 to 45 minutes to keep your mind fresh. Conclude your study session by summarizing all key formulas and concepts for a rapid final review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.